Gradle support continues to evolve in IntelliJ IDEA 2016.3. Firstly, you can now use the power of Gradle builds to build your projects. If, for example, you have a project with a complex build process that's handled by Gradle, you can configure IntelliJ to delegate build and run actions to Gradle. In Settings, go to Build Execution Deployment, Build Tools, Gradle, and select the checkbox. Now, when you rebuild, you'll see IntelliJ IDEAs using Gradle to build the project. IntelliJ IDEA doesn't just delegate building to Gradle. With this setting enabled, when you run your application, this is also delegated to Gradle without needing any changes or configuration in your Gradle build. And you can use this feature to utilize Gradle to build your WAR files from within IntelliJ IDEA. This is useful if you have a complex build process configured in Gradle and want to use this from within the IDE during development, particularly if you're deploying to application servers from inside IntelliJ IDEA. Next, IntelliJ IDEA can give you a smoother integration between projects that you manage using Composite builds. This project has a dependency upon another library, but this is code that I also own. Currently, if I'm referring to code in this library, I can view the source code, but not edit it. To make changes, I'd have to open the other project, make the changes, rebuild and redeploy. But now, I can add this as another Gradle project and configure the composite build configuration of the project that depends upon it. This brings in the code from the other project as a module in this project. After refreshing the Gradle projects, now, when I navigate to the code from the library, I see it's been imported as another module, not a library. This means I can use all my usual refactoring tools to change the code and see the impact of these changes immediately. Note that composite builds are available for projects that use Gradle 3.1.